Welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting out with these pork chops by simply rinsing them under running water. Some people don't clean raw meat, but I always do, and after that I always clean my sink. To season my pork chops, I'm using Old Bay seasoning and accent. This is my second time trying out these two seasonings together on pork chops, and I must say it tastes pretty darn good. So if you've never tried Old Bay and accent on your pork chops, give it a try. I think you'll like it. So I like to season my pork chops front and back on a flat surface just to make sure that the entire pork chop is covered. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and share for more videos like this. So now I'm going to let these pork chops marinate, and next I'm adding cornstarch to the flour, salt, and again Old Bay seasoning. Mix that up, and I'm not using any eggs for this recipe. Now look, y'all already know the current situation. You know, eggs is not the easiest thing to find nowadays. Anyway, I'm using some regular oil, canola that is, on medium-high heat, and now I'm going to start cooking these pork chops. I know I'm giving y'all some different vibes today with this music, but I hope you guys are having a good day, and I hope you guys really like this video. I want to take this time to welcome all of my new subscribers, and thank you to my returning subscribers for your continued support. So I'm only going to fry these pork chops for 5 minutes on each side, flipping them one time, and that's it. Pork chops, they really do not require a ton of cooking time. Some people even eat their pork chops medium rare. Have y'all ever tried medium rare pork chops? I haven't. Comment below and let me know if you've ever tried medium rare pork chops. Another thing is, don't overcook your pork chops, because if you do, they dry out and become tough and chewy. So you definitely do not want to overcook your pork chops. So I'm finishing off my last batch, repeating the same steps, and that's it. Alrighty, so these pork chops are done. They are delicious. You can eat these for breakfast, lunch, or dinner if you like. And as you can see, these are very easy to cook, okay? These pork chops, again, were very delicious, like I said, and I try not to eat them very often, but when I do, I like to smother my pork chops and have them with mashed potatoes and vegetables on the side. That tastes so good. I'm sure y'all have tried that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video.